Pinkfong. Baby Shark Boulevard.
Baby Shark, you made it. I knew you were doing some yoga at Central Park and you jogged here, but you've been keeping the staff waiting. You're a little bit late.
Where's Baby Shark?
I don't know. No, hey, baby! Wait, don't run so fast.
2-star. Aww.
We know you're the superstar. Well, let's keep our day moving. Do you know where we're going next? That's right, the Statue of Liberty. Are you excited? All right, let's go to the ferry. Let's go check out the upstairs now.
My name's Captain Q. Been out here working on the water for about 17 years now. Welcome Baby Shark to New York Harbor. Let's go, Baby Shark.
I'm Frankie. I'm a deckhand with NYC Ferry.
And I'm Jess. I'm an NYC Ferry rider.
Yay! How do you feel having Baby Shark aboard today?
Cool. I'm so happy to celebrate your birthday.
I feel like I'm meeting an icon. You're very famous here. I don't know how you're still a baby. You've been around for like 10 years. You're 10 years, but you're still a baby.
He's still a baby. Look at his face.
I think we all wish we were still babies.
What's your secret?
What's your secret?
Lots of swimming.
Yeah.
So this is Baby Shark's first time in New York City and his first time on the ferry. Do you have any recommendations where he should go with the ferry?
You definitely want to get on the East River route because you'll be able to see all of the bridges. We go to Dumbo, the Brooklyn Bridge, we go under that, which is pretty cool. The Empire State Building. Times Square is really fun.
Yeah, good advice. Okay, now we're gonna play a game. First,
Okay.
I'll have you pick a game.
Okay. Baby Shark's basketball. What is that?
Baby Shark is gonna hold the basket.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Are you feeling confident?
Yeah. I think I'll get the ball in.
Okay. Ready, set, start. Start.
How rude! That was so close! You trickster!
Okay, now it's your turn to pick a game.
All right. Shake it up, number up.
And at the end of the music, whoever has the most on their pedometer is the winner.
Okay.
Contestants, are you ready?
Yeah!
Baby shark, do 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 do. 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 Baby shark. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark. 3, 2, 1.
96.
96. Baby shark, let's see yours. 205.
I don't want to show mine.
Just what happened?
I don't know.
Just had 17.
I was living in the moment. Baby Shark Boulevard at NYC Ferry. Woo! 2, 1.
Crisscross, crisscross, cha-cha real smooth.
Hi friends, it's so good to see you here today. Are you excited to have Baby Shark here in your city?
Yes.
He likes your outfits. He says you both are so stylish.
Thank you, Baby Shark. I like your bow tie.
Oh, they love your bow tie. You probably have pretty good taste when it comes to fashion. If you could pick out an outfit for Baby Shark, what would you dress Baby Shark in?
What would we dress Baby Shark in? Maybe some sparkles.
A wedding dress.
Baby Shark goes to a wedding.
Okay, we have a game for you. If you could pick one of these mystery games.
Open it up. Show the fold the paper.
Yay!
Now we have to step off again. Oh no.
All right.
Oh my, Baby Shark is getting tight. Baby Shark. Uh-oh. Again.
Maybe you can come up with a technique to fit. Maybe you can come up with a technique to fit.
Uh-oh, maybe you can get on my back. Maybe you can get on my back.
Yay!
Yeah. Come on, Baby Shark. Oh! Come on, Baby Shark. Come on, Baby Shark. High five, Baby Shark.
Okay.
Baby Shark Boulevard.
Hi guys, where are you visiting from?
San Francisco, California.
Oh, it's been a long ways. Yeah, are you here for work or for play?
Reward.
Baby Shark too. He's here for
All right, all
work as
right.
well. What do you guys do for work?
Boat parties. Boat parties. Yes, and we have one today. Yeah.
Baby Shark is very excited.
He should come along too. DJs partying and just a lot of fun. Yeah.
Baby Shark is very excited. Okay, so just select a piece of paper from here.
Up and down flag game.
Yellow up, yellow down, blue up, blue up. Okay, ready, start. Ready, start. Yellow flag up, yellow flag down, yellow up, yellow down, blue up, blue up, blue up. Whoa, you're out. Okay, these two are still in. Okay, flags down. Yellow up, yellow down, yellow up, yellow down, blue up, blue up, blue down, blue down, blue down, blue down.
Bye.
That was so good. Baby Shark just had more practice.
Baby Shark Boulevard.
Your makeup?
Makeup.
Oh, beautiful. You look so fresh. Baby Shark, so many people love taking pictures right here in this scenic spot. Let's take some photos of you.
1, 2, 3. Dumbo.
Yeah. Okay.
Baby Shark.
Baby Shark is here on a business trip. He's getting lots of work done. But because he's here to celebrate his 10 years anniversary, we have a question for you. What do you want to be in 10 years? Or what's your dream in 10 years?
In 10 years, my dream is actually to play professional basketball.
To play professional basketball. If Baby Shark got a job here in New York City, what kind of job do you think he should get?
Google.
He should work at Google. Oh, do you think you could show him a few moves?
Okay, so basically you start with a dribble, and then you can shoot. Yay!
We've got a great idea. We'd like to see if you'd like to play a game with Baby Shark.
Sure.
Let's pick a game from here.
Let's do this one.
Let's see. Play that one.
Baby Shark's basketball. Baby Shark's basketball.
Baby Shark basketball! That's a perfect game.
Okay, ready?
Ready, set, go!
Shoot.
Okay.
Go, dunk it. Go, dunk it.
Baby Shark Boulevard! Okay, let's take a picture together in front of the bridge. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Amazing job! Mission complete.
You want to give Baby Shark a high five? High five!
Baby Shark, you did so many things today. How was your day? It was amazing. You rode the ferry, you saw the statue. I think it's time we check your fun gauge. Today's score, 4 stars, 4 stars. Aww. Do you want to go somewhere else to try and fill up your fun gauge? Yeah, where should we go?
Google.
He should work at Google. Google? To the Google offices.
Hi, Baby Shark.
What are you hiding on your hand?
Can I share this with you? It's my heart. My heart.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Hey guys! Did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe! Search for Pinkfong on YouTube!